What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. I'm Rebel, and today we are going to learn how to jump a hip. It's a little trick. It's going to change your life. I can't wait to tell you all about it. Queer Girl Straight Skates! Queer Girl Straight Skates is a YouTube channel all about roller skating. So if you like roller skating, or if you think you want to roller skate, hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so that you can get notified when I post, which is every week. And head on over to cheerstothequeers.com where you can buy all sorts of cute stuff and support this channel. And if you need roller skate accessories, get them from cheerstothequeers.com. So I have a trick for you to jump over hips, especially hips that are more angled than more rounded hips. So with a hip, it actually is a lot easier to jump over than you think it is. You think it's really difficult because your mind is playing tricks on you because it feels really intimidating to roll over a hip. But the best way to go over a hip and jump over it is to trick your mind into forcing yourself to jump over it. And the way you're gonna do that is this little sneaky trick. Sorry, I'm not breathing. The trick to jumping over is to going a little higher and a little faster than you think you can jump. Basically what happens is you go a little higher and your brain freaks out and says, I can't roll over that, and then you have to jump. Trust me, just try it. Like, if you go low where you know you can roll over it, you'll just roll over it. But if you go a little bit higher and tell yourself you have to jump to get over it and survive, your brain goes into survival mode and says, oh, gotta jump, and you'll be able to do it. Just do it. But also bend your knees, stagger your feet, all those things. So like this, watch.
So today I jumped my first hip, and using Rebel's tip of if you go higher and sharper, you don't have a choice but to jump over it because rolling over it isn't an option. So if you truly just are confident in your jumps and confident in the fact that you're gonna go over higher, you'll just send it and you'll just go. Also, bending your knees, landing flat, and as soon as you hit it, just lean forward, stagger those feet. I couldn't believe it. First try. Ding. Right there.
Ding.
Ding.
Also, how do people find you?
Oh, you can find me on Instagram at Skates and Fries. And my personal is Cats and Fries if you want to see cute pictures of my babies. But other than that. You can also use code FRIES at moxieskates.com to get $5 off 15 when you spend. You get laces, t-shirts, skates, and you're supporting a skater, so that'd be awesome as well. And catch you on the Skatestagram.
Thanks so much for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and head on over to cheerstothequeers.com and buy cool stuff because there's all sorts of cool new stuff, and I'm so excited. Yay! And most importantly, cheers to the queers!
I've got a rebel soul.